So in case of tuple is exactly similar to a list. So what is the difference between the tuple and the list? So that we are going to discuss. Okay, so tuple is also maintain the data orderly wise, means insertion order is preserved. Okay, then heterogeneous data is possible. Then tuple is represented by the parenthesis. Okay, by using the parenthesis we can represent the tuple. Then duplicate data is also allowed. Okay, then tuple is by nature is growable and it is immutable. So now let's discuss about the tuple. Okay, so only the difference is that between the tuple and the list. What is the difference? So in case of list, we have the data mutable, means we can modify the data, and in case of tuple we cannot modify the data. Okay, so we cannot change the values in case of the tuple. So now that we are going to discuss. Okay, so now let's create the tuple. How we can create the tuple? So in case of list we are using the square bracket. In case of tuple we have to use the parenthesis. Okay, so now let's create the tuple. Suppose t1 I am going to create, and I want to create the tuples. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this tuple we are going to create. Okay, now I want to print that tuple. Okay, so print t1. Suppose t1 I am going to print. So this is my tuple name is t1. So let's print the t1. So this will be printed. Okay, you can differentiate it, like list is available in the form of the square bracket, and tuple is available in the form of this parenthesis. Okay, now suppose I want to print the type of this list. So what is the type of this t1? So you can also check this type of t1 by using a type function. You can check the type of t1. So type is what? As is tuple. Okay, now with the tuple we can work with others data, like whatever we discuss with the list. Okay,